Hello friends, in this video we're going to do the hands-on with the Motorola Smart TVs announced in India. So along with the launch of the Moto E6s, Motorola has also released 6 new smart TVs in association with Flipkart in India. So this is the global debut of Motorola TVs and they have been made in partnership with Flipkart. So there are 6 different models available starting from HD to it goes up to Ultra HD. So this is the new TVs announced by Motorola in India. All of them are Android 9.0 powered smart TVs and they come with a lot of new features as well, and the base variant is 32-inch HD panel, and it also goes up to 65 inches Ultra HD panel. The pricing starts at 13,999 for the base variant and it goes up to 64,999 for the top end variant, and they're quite good in terms of the looks. Again, the looks are subjective. It's kind of different look. It's not the standard TV. You can see a smart bar kind of option, that's the speakers below the TV, and that is kind of unique thing. You can also see the Motorola branding here, and the display quality as such looks pretty good. In our limited time with the TV, the display quality we felt was pretty good, and the quality offered for this devices are pretty good, and these are HDR10 enabled 4K displays, and with a color depth of around 10 bit, and they are IPS LCD panels, and it also supports HDR10 as I said before. We're talking about the UI on these smart TVs. So this devices comes with Android 9.0 out of the box, and they have a very simple and clutter-free UI. You can see that all apps are included here. You can see all the installed apps. There is a default Netflix support, and a few games are also installed. Hotstar is there. You can see Indianized versions of some of the apps like Hungama is there, then Hotstar is there, YouTube app is also included. Then you can just scroll down again, you can see the highlights from each of these apps are included. So that's something which is pretty good, and you can see this all the movies and other stuffs included are grouped by the app, and you can also download other apps from the Google Play Store. There is also Play Music support and Play Movies included. There are lots of apps supported, and Netflix is available by default. When we asked, they said that the Amazon Prime Video support will also be coming pretty soon. So one thing what we really liked about the UI is that it's pretty easy to use and navigate, and it offers a very simple experience instead of a cluttered UI. It offers a very simple experience wherein you can actually go to the app, see what all movies are there, select the app. You can also see a preview of what is offered here, and that's how you can navigate, and it offers a very seamless experience, and it is kind of easy to use even though it's an Android TV, and Motorola has done things which have made it less complicated. Now this is the remote of the Motorola Smart TV. You can see that there is default buttons available for Netflix, Google Play Store. Then you can also see that there is a YouTube app, YouTube button included. Then there is also a gamepad included with the TV. So as I said before, there is support for Asphalt 9. So you can actually play with the gamepad. This is Bluetooth connected wireless gamepad available. So you can easily play games with these TVs. So that's something which is pretty good. Motorola has done. We are told that this accessory will be available out of the box in the TV. Now this TVs also comes with Motorola's Amphis SoundX, the inbuilt superior 30-watt speaker with DTS true surround sound, which enables a really good immersive sound experience, and there is also a Dolby Vision support with HDR10, which provides good brightness overall, and almost 1 billion colors on an IPS LCD panel, and this also comes with really good performance as well. These are powered by MediaTek quad-core processor with Mali GPU, and 2.25 GB RAM and 16 GB storage is offered. So it again depends upon the variant. So the base variant is 32-inch HD display, and all the panels are made by LG, the IPS LCD panels, and almost all of them have Dolby audio, and the higher end variants have DTS surround sound and also 30-watt inbuilt speaker. So here is a quick comparison about the different variants available and what are the features available. You can see that the base variant has 1 GB RAM and 8 GB storage, and the top end variant also has a 2.25 GB RAM RAM and 16 gigabytes storage to install audio apps. So this is an Android 9.0 power TV, and it offers really good experience. So this also comes in multiple variants. You have the 32-inch variant, 43-inch, both offered in Full HD and Ultra HD. Then you have 50-inch Ultra HD and 55-inch Ultra HD and 65-inch Ultra HD. So almost 6 variants are available across the different price segments. So the base variant pricing is 13,999. That's the pricing of the base variant. Then it goes to 24,999 for the 43-inch Full HD. Then there is 43-inch Ultra HD at 29,999, 50-inch Ultra HD at 33,999, and 55-inch Ultra HD at 39,999, and 65-inch Ultra HD is at 64,999. So these are the pricing. So in our limited usage, we found the TVs to be quite good, easy to navigate. Remote is also pretty good. The display quality is also good. There is default Netflix support, and the pricing is also really competitive to the Xiaomi's Mi TVs. So that was a hands-on with the new Motorola Smart TVs announced in association with Flipkart. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.